Welcome back to Learn with Loco, everyone.
Max here, and today's topic is a good one. Have you ever looked at a crowded supermarket shelf and realized you have no idea whether to say you have many or much pasta?
Honestly, Max, sometimes I just say a lot of to avoid the panic entirely.
That is actually the secret weapon we're going to master today.
It's one of those things that sounds simple, but even advanced learners trip over it sometimes.
Let's break down the rules of much, many, and our friend a lot of.
So, let's start with the basics. What is the main difference between those two groups?
It all comes down to whether you can count the item or not.
Right, like apples. I can count 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples.
Exactly. Because you can count them, you use many.
So, how many apples do you want for the pie is perfectly correct.
Now, what about something like water or sugar?
Well, you can't really say 1 water, 2 waters, right?
Exactly. That is when we switch to much.
So, how much sugar did you put in this coffee instead of how many sugars?
Precisely. Much is for things you can't count, like liquids, abstract ideas, or powder.
But wait, what if I don't want to think about whether it's countable or not?
That's where a lot of saves the day.
It's like the universal remote control for quantity?
Exactly. You can use it for both countable and uncountable nouns.
Give me an example of that, then.
You could say, I have a lot of friends, which is countable.
And I could say, I have a lot of free time, which is uncountable.
You got it. It's perfect for casual conversation, and it sounds very natural.
I have a question, though. Is it okay to use much and many in positive sentences?
That is a great question. Usually, we prefer them in negative sentences or questions.
Can you give me an example of that?
Sure, we usually say, I don't have much time, instead of I have much time.
Saying I have much time sounds a bit like we're writing a formal poem, right?
Very Shakespearean. In everyday English, I have a lot of time is much better.
What about many? Is it the same?
Same rule. There are many people here is natural, but there are many people here sound a bit too formal.
So, stick to a lot of for positive statements and save much and many for questions and negatives.
Let's wrap this up so our viewers can practice.
Rule number 1. Many is for countable things like cars or chairs.
Rule number 2. Much is for uncountable things like patience or money.
And rule number 3. A lot of is your best friend because it works for everything.
Just remember to keep much and many for your questions and negative sentences.
Now, go check your fridge and tell us how much food you have.
See you in the next lesson. All right, that wraps up today's episode.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.